In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Clickup calendar. Whether you're scheduling your daily tasks or planning long-term projects, using the Clickup calendar can truly enhance your productivity and keep your workflow efficient. First, we begin by heading over to the Clickup website. In your web browser, type in www.clickup.com. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll see a button labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on that button. It will take you to a page with several options to access your account. For simplicity and ease, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to link your Google account to Clickup, which provides seamless integration with your existing Google tools like Gmail and Google Calendar. When prompted, select the Google account you want to use. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Clickup workspace. Look at the left panel, which acts as the main navigation guide through your Clickup environment. Click on your workspace from here to ensure you're in the right place. You'll notice that the Clickup dashboard offers numerous options for organizing your projects, tasks, and teams. Next, we're going to add a new view to your workspace by clicking on the plus icon located on the top banner. This action allows you to customize what you see based on your needs. A variety of views are available, but today our focus is on the calendar view, so go ahead and click on Calendar. This intuitive view gives you a visual representation of your tasks assigned to specific dates, helping you oversee your schedule at a glance. Once you've opened your calendar, it's time to get interactive by creating a task directly inside a date. Simply click on the date in which you want to create a task, and a pop-up window will appear. Here, you can name the task, set due dates, assign it to team members, and more. It's this ability to manage tasks with just a few clicks that makes the Clickup calendar especially powerful. You can also employ filters to fine-tune the display of your calendar by project, team, or many other criteria. Moreover, one of the fine features of the Clickup calendar is its flexibility when it comes to viewing time periods. At the top of the calendar, you can change the time frame to suit your perspective, switching from daily to weekly, monthly, or even annual views. This flexibility in timelines allows you to adjust your viewing preference based on the requirements of your projects or personal tasks. And that's it. You've now successfully used the Clickup calendar to organize your tasks and manage your schedule efficiently. With these abilities at your fingertips, you can improve your time management and look ahead with a more structured approach to your productivity.